Welcome to this tutorial on increasing the number of pages displayed in the tags section of your WordPress site in 2025. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to modify your settings so that more tag items appear on a single page. This process is straightforward and requires only a few minutes of your time. Begin by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the site loads and you see the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will notice a login button there. Click on this button to start the process of accessing your admin dashboard. After clicking the login option, you will be presented with several sign-in methods. Choose the option that says Continue with Google. When you select this method, you may be prompted to choose which Google account to use if you are already signed in. Confirm your choice by clicking on the appropriate account and you will be logged in to your WordPress site. Now that you have successfully signed in, you will be taken to your administrative panel where various content management options are available. Your next step is to locate and click on the Posts option. Doing so will open a page that displays your list of posts along with various options for editing or managing your content. After you have navigated to the Posts page, move on to the next area of focus by clicking on Tags. Selecting tags ensures that you are directed to the section where all your post tags are listed. This page is an important hub where you can view, edit, or manage every tag that you use on your website, and it offers a clear overview of your content organization system. With the tags page now in view, the following step is to click on Screen Options. This option is typically found at the top of the tags management page. When you click on Screen Options, a panel will expand, allowing you to adjust the various settings that control what information is displayed on the page. In the expanded Screen Options panel, pay close attention to the control that specifies the number of items per page. Here, you are given the flexibility to increase this number to suit your needs. By raising this value, you enable the system to display more tag items on a single page, which is especially helpful if you have a large number of tags and want to avoid navigating through multiple pages. Once you have entered your preferred number of items per page, complete the process by clicking on the Apply button. This final step saves your settings and immediately updates the display of the tags page in your WordPress admin area. The result is a more comprehensive view of your tags, which can enhance your ability to manage them effectively. This sequence of actions helps streamline and simplify the management of tags on your WordPress site, ensuring that you have better control over your content categorization. Enjoy the more efficient navigation and improved overview of your tags as you continue to work on your site.